All right, so a lot of people ask me how to sign up for our pre-litigation credit repair services. Now, you can do this from a phone, an iPad, a computer, iMac, MacBook, whatever. First thing you want to do is go to everythingcreditllc.com, and then you're going to go up here where it says plans and pricing, and then you will click on get started. Now, one thing you got to make sure you do is you have to agree to receive email and or SMS text message communications from Everything Credit LLC. This is just for legal reasons. If you don't click on this, though, the form will not go through. Now, once you fill that out, I will get an email, hop on the computer, set the pricing up, and then I will email you a welcome email with your client portal login. Now, another thing that we need you to do, because this is for pre-litigation, and you can do this from any page, just go to where it says get all 3 credit reports for free, and it's going to take you directly to annualcreditreport.com, and you're going to want to click on request free credit reports. And then, of course, you have to fill out the information. Make sure that you select that you want all 3 credit reports. You have to do this. It's very important, because if you don't, it's only going to show you whichever ones you click on. Now, when you're on annual credit report, before you move on to the next report, make sure that you download it as a PDF before you move on to the next report. Once you've had all 3 credit reports, now if you can only get 1 or 2, that's fine. We can use those, but you have to be able to get at least 1 report for us to sue that bureau. Meaning, if you're only able to get TransUnion, that's the only one we're going to be able to sue for. Now, once you are a client, you can go back to my website, click on client login, put in your credentials, boom, you'll be on your portal. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.